Hi everybody, Angela Smith here with Just Live. I'm going to give you a tip about organizing kids' toys. Now, when you organize kids' toys, you have to think, okay, how do I want to organize this so that it can be easy for a child and they can remember how to put it back, to where it was. You don't want to organize it where they don't really understand it or they don't really they can't really help you out by putting it back the way you had it. So when you organize toys, you want to put it, and then the bins that you choose is important too as well, because really kind of get the concept. They just think it's in another bin, it's another toy box, and I can throw all my toys in there. So one thing I have for you today is this bin right here. This bin is open. It's big enough to fit what I need them to fit in it. Because if you get a bin that's bigger than the amount of toys that you want to go in the bin, they're going to put other stuff in this bin. They're going to put other toys in this bin because in their minds, they're like, oh, it fits. But if you put in their bin stuff, like this is their action figure bin and dinosaurs, action figures, all the action stuff that the boys have. That's all they can fit in there. They can't put cars in there. If they try to put cars in there, it's not going to fit. Or with the labeling, if you maybe get a picture instead of doing words, well, you can if you have older kids, but my kids are under 6, so they're learning their words, but they don't know them as well as they will know them. So if you do a picture, take a picture of what you want to go in the bin. Like if it's action figures, take a picture of Spider-Man or something like that, or Batman, and put it on the bin. That way you train their minds to like, this is where this goes, this is where this goes, and it only fits what you put in there. They are sorting toys. They go through the sorting toy process. I'll show you guys the after once they're finished. They're doing